Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another devlog. This is me, your German scientist. Again, I'm a scripter for the Roblox studio, or the Roblox group, Refined Gentleman, and I am currently working on an inventory system. In yesterday's episode, we were able to make functioning GUI, which means I can select and pull out the blocks, and also get rid of the proximity prompt and touch interest for at least the first time when you pick it up. Yeah. So what we also did was make a stackable module, but I've decided that's going to be saved for later just to get the main things out of the way and then go on to the things that will make the inventory system more complex, and we'll refine it over time. So, the first thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to put this picked up on client event, and it is almost useless because even though this is an event, I do not, it would be more efficient just to send it through to here, but we'll save that for later in the episode if I deem it necessary. But for right now, I wanted to show you guys an issue that I was thinking of that I just wanted to share and how I plan on fixing it. So, in each of these tools, if you remember, we have the pickup prompt and the touch delete prompt. I'm not sure if I showed this. This basically just destroys the touch interest so you can't pick it up and mess with our original script. So, in here, if you can remember, we have this script, but let's say I have another tool, right? So in this other tool, I have another script, right? And let's say in this script, I say instead of it being false, I want it to be true, right? So now if we play the game, you'll see if I were to pick up this one and I were to pick up that one. So 1, 2. The issue is that it only changes for this singular one. When it's the same item, or at least to the player's point of view, it's the same item. Of course, it is two separate things with two separate scripts, but there's no reason to do that. So, what I was going to start this episode off with is optimizing this so that we can make a function instead of doing this. So now we finally, after 4 episodes, we get to use, if I can go down, I'm actually going to scroll all the way up and close out workspace. We can go into server script service and inventory function server. Functions server. I am actually going to just call this inventory functions just to cut down on the name so it's easier on the scripts. And then inside of here, we are going to pull, where is it? Okay, here it is. I'm actually going to close out of most of these, keep local functions and events open. And we're going to look, and we're going to see, I actually, if it is possible, here we go. So, what do I want to call this? Functions dot, let's say just pick up, right? Simple enough name, but we're going to not capitalize that just to differentiate it from the script. That probably won't come up, but if it does, I just want to make sure that it is well and capable. Okay, so we're going to get player. Then we're going to literally just copy and paste this. Easy enough, right? So we do not actually know what the tool is, so I'm also going to send that through. And then all we have to do now is do, ooh, wait. we're also sending through that data. No, no. This can work. So all I have to do now is, since I've sent through the tool, I'm not going, even though there are error messages here, they're easy enough to solve, so I'm not going to solve them right now. So we already have server functions. What luck? Server functions dot pickup, and then we're connecting that. Oh, wait. Inventory functions. Yeah, okay. And we're going to send through tool. All right. So now, what we're going to do now is, inside of here, do local stack. We're just going to copy this, take this, and then picked up. Of course, we're also going to take this, make a space right there in order to make this more readable. And now, if I did do this properly, right, and which I'm going to find this in Explorer. If you guys don't know this already, if you go into the script and then if you right-click on it in this hotbar, you can see Show in Explorer. And once you show in Explorer, then wait, yeah, it will show up. So if you have two scripts with the same name, this may make the process easier, just to help you guys out. All right. So if I were to pick this up, pick it up, nothing is happening. Wait. So in inventory functions, I see. We also need the, wait, backpack is not a valid member of, oh, I see. Wait a minute. Ah, no. Okay. So we do indeed have to make a function, but we don't have to do much at all. We just have to define the player, and I was being a little dumb right there, but I'm going to do connect function and then player, and then just copy that over. And if we do this and play this, go into here, enabled is not a valid member. Ah, wait a minute. We got to change the script up a little because it was referencing. So if you look right here, this says script.parent.enabled is equal to false. And if you remember from the previous, I believe it was episode 2, we learned that it does indeed run in the module and not in the thing it's being referenced from. So we have to make sure to tell it what the proximity prompt is too. So after tool, we are going to tell it prox prompt. We're going to send it that. And then prox prompt again over here, and we do prox prompt dot enabled. And just to fact check this real quick, prox prompt, yeah, this should work. Let's see. Oh dear. Oh, no, it works. Hooray! So that was optimizing some code, and we have done it in 9 minutes 30 seconds. Quite nice, quite nice. All right, so now that we've simplified this, all we have to do is just copy this script, and we don't have to change a single thing. We just can change, oh my goodness, I closed out of it. We can just change inventory functions. Hooray! Anyways, so now what we are going to do is work on a dropping system. Oh no, this is going to be interesting. And the reason I say this is going to be interesting is because if I play the game here and I pick up the block and I hit delete, right? So this block, it 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 no longer, we have nothing in it, right? The scripts have failed us. Look at this. So if we're going to go over here, it picks up. And of course, it will still function because we didn't change anything about it. So if I drop it again and I go back into workspace, you'll see it does still say 1. But my point is that nothing really functions about it, right? So we're going to close out of pickup because we have successfully done that. Hooray. I actually want to see. We never set a limiter on the amount of items in the hotbar, so I know what is going to happen, but I just want to clarify this to myself. That should be 10. Okay, so oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. Oh dear. Um, so as you can see, you can't really hit 11, and you can't really hit 10. I mean, I'm pressing 0 on my keyboard, but that's just because of the way we set up the array. So that is probably the next thing we have to do, a limiter on the amount of items you can pick up, and also when it's equal to 0, or it's equal to 10, sorry, items is equal to 10, you name it 0 and not 10, right? So let's see. So what we want to do here is we're not going to use stackability. I apologize. And we're going to do if items is less than 10, then run, right? But, oh, ooh, I completely forgot. It's a part of the module. So local functions dot items is less than 10. Now we can run this. And this should have been a really easy fix. Of course, we still have to do the 0 thing, which again shouldn't be that hard. It just should be another fact checking. And I'm going to, sorry, pardon my slowness. Okay. So if I go into here and I click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh! See, we have an issue. I completely forgot. I just realized that would happen. It's still going to pick up the item because we can't tell it to just stay there, right? So we have to, okay, so, you know what? We actually just saved ourselves, right? Because all we do here is instead of doing all this balderdash, what we do is in here we're gonna send out inside of the pickup, sorry. We're going to go into events and wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. So let me explain what I'm thinking here. So, if I can get out my pen, right? So our picked up sorry, our pickup script is sending out through pickup, right? Or, yeah, or, oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of my own remote event. Picked up, yeah, okay. I'm not going insane. Picked up, right? And inventory function, yeah, inventory function, or I'm just going to call this the module, is picked up, right? But if we were to send out another signal, right? Wait. I just have to make sure I'm confusing myself. Wait, so in inventory functions, it fires the client, then the client picks it up, then we fire back to this. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm not going crazy. So, here's what's going on. My bad. So the module is firing to the client. The client is picking it up. So the client, or we can call this events actually. Events. And now this is going to send a signal back to here to see if it will pick up. And if it is true, then it will continue on its way. But if it's false, everything stops. So, oh my goodness, I keep doing that. What I was basically, I keep doing that. I'll just show you with code. I apologize. I'm very new to making videos. So we get rid of this, and all we have here is the events, which is going to fire here. It is going to fire into our local function. Oh, why am I going into the GUI? Okay, inventory, local functions, right? And this is what is going to happen. So, wait a minute. Okay, so we're going to do an if statement. And first we need to do if picked up fire client. Wait, no, we can't do that. So how are we going to get around this? We still have to get picked up, right? We have to... No, we have to fire the client from local functions. Oh! Oh, here we go. Okay, so if picked up dot on client event then, right, connect, and then we're going to connect a function here, and I don't know what that function will be yet, but we're actually, I'm going to sacrifice readability, so I apologize, but this just makes more sense to me. I'll explain why I do it in a second, but now that we have this, we have to wait. Yeah, so if local functions dot items is less than 10, then we put all of this in here, right? And then at the very, very end, we are going to do picked. Oh, wait, we have not referenced picked up. So, yet again, we have to do something else. We're going to reference picked up is equal to game.replicated. Oh, does the game already understand what I'm trying to do? I think so, but I'll just get that done. Okay, so picked up dot, oh, sorry, colon, fire. Why can I fire the client? I'll fire the server and on client event, I'm going to fire to the server true, right? And in this function, I'm going to say boolean, and then if boolean, then return true. Oh, wait, no. Why am I not allowed to do this? I'm very confused. Wait. Oh, here we go. True. Wait, I think I understand the problem. So, if is equal to true, then no? Expected identifier if boolean is equal to true? No. That doesn't What do you mean expected identifier? Um, is a true then? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So maybe instead, what we can do is, hear me out here. No, we have to do this locally. We're going to say local boolean is equal to nil, and then we're going to connect the same thing. So we're going to do picked up on, oh wait, no. On, was it, yeah, on client event? Wait. Where are we firing? I'm confusing myself. On server event, not on client event. On server event, connect function, and in this function, we're gonna extract the boolean, and then we're gonna say if boolean, then return true. No, not return true. We're gonna set boolean. Oh, wait, I wanna differentiate the two. So this one's gonna be boolean 1, and this one's going to be boolean 2, boolean 2. All right. Boolean 1 is equal to true. And now, yet again, we're going to do if boolean 1 is equal to true, then, and then we put these two things in, and, drum roll please, not actually. How many errors am I going to see? I'm going to guess 2. Where, huh? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What? Oh, okay, so it's not picking up. That's the problem. So let me do some printing. Uh, print. Okay. Um, this video is going to contain a lot of testing because I am at a loss. Oh, it does something, right? Okay, back here, it does not say okay. So is it on client event? Oh my goodness, I am so rusty with these things. I have not used this in quite a while. Okay. On client event can only be used on the client. That's what I thought. On. Why does it allow me to do that then? Okay. Um. Print boolean. Let's try that. Nil. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Picked up dot onSer event connect. It's not even connecting. I do not get this. Wait. Let me go through order of operations here. So this one goes to there. That fires to the server true. Wait. So I'm sorry about that. I am back. This is taking quite ludicrous amount of time just to do this one thing. And I apologize, but this is just how coding is. Okay, let me. This won't print anything, will it? Now, it does, in fact, fired. Wait, no, I should put it after. Okay, let's run this. No, it doesn't fire. Why does this not fire? Does it fire here? Print fired. No. Wait, but the button is made. What? I don't understand. I don't get it. I do not get it. What in the world? What? It's called one. It has the name button.name. So this runs. So can I do a print function here? So I'll say, how far does this get through is my real question. So I have to do a lot of printing here. Print B, C, D, and this is going to take a bit. I apologize. I am probably going to put into this description when we start getting into the real stuff, but apologies. Okay, now let's look. Where does it get to? It gets all the way to G, and then Oh! I see the problem here, and sorry for the mic being loud. So it is not firing to the server quick enough, so we don't know if this is true. So I have to, it's order of operations here. We have to fire the server first, and then have this happen. Unfortunately, it's not very pretty code, but I'll take it over code that doesn't work. Alright, so I want to group these together, and then I'm done. So, no, still does not work. But, now that we did fire the server, I am going to do print worked. I just want to see if it fires onto here, if we're getting anywhere, really. Worked. Here we go. Now, it fires after, so I think what we have to do is we have to do local ready is equal to false, right? And in here, if boolean 2, then, and then we also do return, we're going to do local ready is equal to false, and then ready is equal to true, and then we're going to return ready, right? So if I did this right, and if I did if ready is equal to true, then print OK. But I don't know. It's going to run this whole thing before it runs. So this all runs at 311, and then after it's told to do that. So should I just, if I get rid of all of this, get rid of that, get rid of ready, get rid of all of that, and then I just simply put this up here, and I am close to resorting to crude and barbaric coding techniques, but I will not. Let's see. So now I don't actually know where this connects, so I'll say print went through. Oh, if I can type. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Went through happened 16 milliseconds. So we have yet another issue. This fire server has to happen before this occurs. So this line of script needs to happen after. What I could do is this might be, I'm going to do local functions dot picked up check is equal to function, and we're not going to be, well actually we are going to be sending through a little bit of things, a little bit of stuff, but we're going to run this here. We do need the name, so we're going to pass that through in just a second, but we're going to fire the server, and then we're going to do local functions dot picked up check, and we're going to be sending through the name. Now, work? No. Invalid. Oh, because I didn't reference that. Okay, hold up. So, if I go over here, went through, happened. Ah, it all happens after. You know what? You know what? I just realized. I I'm not doing all of this. I'm putting this back in here. Actually, I'm not going to have it in there, but I'm going to send it that. Ugh. I gotta put this as player. Alright. So, in this function, it's going to be sent boolean 2, it's also going to be sent through player. It's going to be sent through name, and that's it. Oh, but we cannot no, we can reference local functions, I'm pretty sure. Local functions require. I am talking to myself too much. Apologies. Local, no. Oh wait, why am I in server script service? No, we can't reference it because we need the specific player. Oof. We could do it in here though. Here we go. Now we're cooking with gasoline. So in here, this is going to be again very crude. Local functions equal to require player dot wait for child player scripts. Yeah. Wait for child. Inventory. And then I'm just gonna do, no, I'll do it. Local functions. Cool. All right. Now that we have local functions and we've sent through all this stuff, we are going to do this statement. Wait. Ah, in here. No, we can't do it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wait. Wait, why? I'm messing myself up. Why am I doing this? If I just completely get rid of that, and I put this in here, get rid of that, does this work? That is the question. No. Attempted to index Boolean. What? Where's the Boolean? Oh, oh my goodness. That's why. We gotta send through player and we gotta send through name. My goodness, man. What the heck? We don't need Boolean 1 anymore. Oh dear. We don't need Boolean 1 anymore. So we can call this Boolean 1 now. Ah, you know what? We fire true, and then we're going to be given the player, then Boolean 1, then name. Now if I play it, oh dear. Oh, so really? Oh, player script. What is it called? Player scripts. Players.ninjishua. Wait for child. Player scripts. Are you serious? What in the world, man? What if I just did dot player scripts? Oh my goodness. You can just do that? Are you kidding me? I did not know this. This makes my life so much easier. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's probably not going to work because it couldn't find it, but still. It couldn't. Ah, man. Why can't it? Well, let me print player dot player dot user ID. Can I print out that? Okay. Can I print out the player scripts? No, I can't. But why can't I? Oh dear. You know what? Instead, we only really need local functions for one singular purpose. So instead of trying to reference this, we can just send through items. And then in here, whoa, oh, okay. Um, item, oh wait, no. Oh, no. You're gonna put this after here, so that way it works. Local functions dot items, and then are we good? If I do that, oh dear. Okay. Huh? Ah, that's what. That's the huh. Okay. Are we good? Oh my goodness, that took so much time. Oh my goodness. I very much apologize, but I am going to explain my process in just a second just to make sure this works. Alright. I'm getting, I'm going to be a mischievous person and get more than... What? Seems to be working just fine. And it is. Okay. I don't know why I'm getting error messages. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work! Oh my goodness, that was way too much code. Alright. So, do I already do it in local functions? Wait a minute. Okay. 1 is no block. 2, that is no block. So we're getting an error message, but it works. So I'm going to never do this while scripting, but I'm going to ignore it for now and come back to it in due time. So, why does that cause issues. Oh, it fires to the client, picked up, and then what does pick up get? Wait, why am I firing the client? Ah, that's why I'm firing the client. Okay. And bravissimo. We've gotten that done. And it's already been 50 minutes. Oh my goodness, a single thing that took 50 minutes. Wow, I should have gotten that done sooner. Okay, so I am going to list out everything that I've done in this video, which is not as much as I wish I had done, but still enough that it is progress. Day 4, we limited hotbar items. And optimized code. Bum ba da bum. All right. So, I just want to talk to you guys for 1 second. Um, the thing I want to talk about with you guys is honestly just how much I enjoy other people watching my videos and if they learn or help me, and it's not as much about like as many people watching me, but if I can help anyone in any way or if anyone can help me, it really brings joy to me. So I just wanted to get that out there. Um, have a good day, and I will go into the end sequence. So this is my final goodbye. Well, not final goodbye, I should say final goodbye for this episode. Hopefully I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully. um, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. This is your German scientist, and I will leave you with that. Good day.